Change your thoughts, and you change your world. Norman Vincent Peale. There you have it. The most effective ways to change your life is ensuring that you employ a positive mindset. It may sound straightforward, and yet you have to watch this whole video for you to find it easier to have positive thinking. Now you know what positive thinking is and the power of thinking positively. At this point, you know how to move from a negative mindset to have a positive thinking and positive attitude. One thing that you have to understand is that positive thinking only forms the first half of the power in your mind. The other half of the power lies in the actions that you take once you have positive thoughts. This is the point where your willpower comes into play. It is your willpower that determines whether things will get done or not. It is this willpower that corresponds to the inner voice that tells us to act for our thoughts to come into reality. Realize that your mind and willpower are not distinct from each other. It is your mind that thinks, and then the body acts willingly for the mind to feel that it has achieved its goals. Think of your success as depending on your skill set and fitness level in a boxing ring. However, what happens in your mind is much more important than these factors. This is because once you set foot in a boxing ring, it is critical that you leave behind all of your doubts. It is critical that you have a completely positive mindset and conviction that you belong there and that you will win the battle. To do that, you'll have to shut down all the negative thoughts and self-talk that tell you otherwise. The best you can do is to overpower this negativity with a triple dose of positivity. You tell yourself that you are strong enough and have the confidence it takes to win. This way, you will focus on the nitty-gritty of your performance in the ring. By tapping into the wells of positive thinking, attitude, abilities, and skills, you become unstoppable in and outside the ring. That is what life is all about. Positivity for happiness and satisfaction. Best of luck.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.